Amahlobolo phezu kwamahlobolo. Bafethu, when it comes to the story of Pan-Africanism, you'll debate for years. You'll call each other names, Thukana Kumalive, and do all that shit. As long as Africa we are using different currencies, forget about Pan-Africanism, that shit. Forget about that shit. As long as when you guys talk about Pan-Africanism, you never mention us using one currency. And then forget about that shit, Buffett. Simple. Level. Simple. Because that's the only way Africa can be united, not through opening borders and all that shit. Because the only thing that's dividing humans, it's currency. The means of survival. But I'm just saying, I'm just saying, senke ngayisho lento ku-live, bangigwinya bangitshela ukuthi angishayi research. Me, I don't have time for research, dog. I have intuition, man. I have fucking angels that tell me things, that tell me this 1, 2, 3, and 4 is this. That's why, like, some things I know them without reading books. But I'm just saying, we're not there in that Pan-Africanism. Forget about that shit, Buffett. When you talk about it without including us using one currency, forget about it. Just forget about that shit. Simple. And I'm effect to TikTok afresh. But forget that shit.